What's up, everybody? It's Elena. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm doing a collab video with another YouTuber here on YouTube. The channel name is Aric Crafts. And like I said, we're doing this collab, and we both picked out themes. And she has challenged me to do a candy theme, and I have challenged her to do something else. So in order to see what she did, you'll have to go over to her channel, which I will link down below in the description box. So make sure you go check her out after you've watched my video, or if you're here from her video, welcome to the channel, and I hope you enjoy my video. But yeah, so make sure you go check her out after you go see this video. And just be forewarned, I had to kind of speed this video up because there was a lot of footage on here, but I really wanted to show you guys everything that I'm using, because I'm using quite a bit of different things today. Some things you've seen from different haul videos and some things you haven't seen before. So, but I wanted to show you everything that I was using. Everything will be in the description box of what I used. So make sure you check that out after you watch the video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up on this video, because this was a lot of work, but it was also a lot of fun. I really enjoyed this. Yeah, but if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you like resin crafts and just crafts in general, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and join my little family over here, where we just enjoy crafts and just talking to each other and giving each other tips and tricks. But anyway, buckle in, you guys, get your snacks and your drinks and enjoy the video. Okay, you guys, it's time to start revealing some of these beauties. As you can tell, this one was a fail. I way over poured on this one and I tried to save it, but it just didn't work out for me. Where my chocolate lovers at? Holla at me down in the comment section down below if chocolate is your fave. And now it's time for the one we've all been waiting for, the candy coaster. Let's see how this turned out. Okay, you guys, so here is a roundup of all of the different little things that I made today in this candy challenge. This was so much fun. I had a lot of fun creating these different items and seeing what would go with what colors would go with what micas and glitters and all of that stuff. It was just so much fun. So thank you again, Aric, for challenging me to do candy for this resin craft. Definitely let me know which one is your favorite, girl, so that I can send you, whichever one you like. We'll get together on that. But in the meantime, I want to thank everyone so much for watching this video. Thanks for hanging in there with me. I know this was a long one, but I hope you all enjoyed. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Again, if you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And you guys, don't forget to give me a like. It helps other people find me here on YouTube, and it helps my channel out as well. So I'd appreciate that. But yeah, there is that circle one that I was telling you guys that I had a little issue with. Like, I tried to fix it a little, but it didn't work out. It was still kind of janky looking to me. But anyway, thanks again, you guys. check out some of my other videos here up on the screen. If you really enjoyed this video, I'm sure you'll enjoy my other ones. And I hope I inspired you today to go out there and create something new and trust your dopeness.